This is Jeff the Drinking Buddy, and today we're making Dublin coffee. Don't confuse Dublin coffee with Irish coffee. They're two very different things. I love Irish coffee. It's a hot drink where you put whiskey and sugar in hot coffee. But this Dublin coffee is a cold drink, and it is excellent. Everybody I've ever given this to loves it. This is a great drink for St. Patrick's Day, but really, this tastes good all year long. Dublin coffee has 5 ingredients: Irish whiskey, Irish beer, coffee, left over from your morning coffee pot, sugar, and cream. To start, take a whiskey glass and fill it with 2 ounces of coffee, and 2 ounces of Guinness. One and a half ounces of Jameson. Three-quarters of an ounce of simple syrup. You want to stir these together lightly, especially because of the beer. You don't want to take all the carbonation out of the beer. When you have those stirred, fill your glass with ice. And then we're going to take a half ounce of cream. Heavy whipping cream is the best. You want to pour the cream slowly on top. I recommend you put your spoon on top of your glass, face down, and hit the cream off the back of the spoon. Just so it sits there on top. Then take a piece of cinnamon for the garnish and freshly grate the cinnamon on top of the drink. I'm Jeff the Drinking Buddy, but I'm not your drinking buddy, so whether you're drinking fresh lemonade, shooting tequila shots, or something in between like this beautiful Dublin coffee, call your friend over, ask them over tonight. They want to hear from you. Cheers. Dublin coffee. Cheers. That is good.